What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we are back with another Volted update. If you've been watching the channel, I covered this exactly to the T as we see it's unfolding. If you watched that video last night, this correction that we're seeing right now should not come to you as a surprise. We talked about this and the exact levels that the price was likely to pull back to yesterday. So we were using our Fibonacci retracement tool to determine this. This is a technical analysis tool that you can use to measure from the breakout to the where it ended at, where the resistance point was met, and you can use that to determine the correction that is likely to follow. So here we see that the price pulled back to right around that 1773 level. If we call it like right on the head, around 1773. Now, yesterday's video, I told y'all that the price was likely to pull back around 1850. Look at this. The 1850 level is right here. The price pulled back just a little bit, beyond that point. Why? Because other investors that understand technical analysis, they can read these areas too, and sometimes they will push the price a little bit further than the points we expect. So this is why I always say give or take a little bit, but still, nonetheless, that was an excellent call on that correction. Of course, it can always pull back just a little bit, but look exactly to where we called it. We set around that 850 range. So the 850 range will fall about, let me remove this retracement tool real quick. So that 850 range will fall just about here. So this is where we called it to pull back to, and this is where it actually pulled back to. I really want y'all to pay attention to that and understand, how technical analysis can help you become a better informed investor. Now, notice how as soon as the price pulled back to this level that we called yesterday, you notice how buyers stepped in and pushed the price back up. So we can see these candles here. We can see this green candle that came in nice and heavy. Once the price broke this level, buyers stepped in and pushed it right back above this level. This is what I was talking about. And when I said, if you wanted to buy that dip, this would be the level 2 target. It's not financial advice. I'm just trying to share the information that I've been learning, and share it with y'all so that way y'all can use it to become better informed investors. Now, let's take a look at what vechain has going on today. We know we're almost at that 1 year anniversary. I believe today we just hit our 11-month anniversary. So salute to all the Vote army, everybody that's been holding it down. CoinLeg says some good news for Vote. 64 central exchanges, NASDAQ interview coming soon, and deflationary decentralized exchange. Come on now, that's vechain. We already know how bullish that is. Look at this video right here. 42,000 views on it already in only 3 days. Absolutely bonkers. Crypto Flash says Vote already listed on more than 60 centralized exchanges, offering an awesome NFT collection, made so many great partnerships, and price skyrocketing 100% in a week. This is absolutely huge. Vote's upcoming deflationary exchange, vechain. So, connect the dots. Everybody's talking about this right now. Everybody is excited for this. This is the movement we're seeing before vechain actually drops. I'm expecting to still see a run afterwards. Normally, sometimes you can get buy the rumor, sell the news type of situation, which that could play out here, but I don't expect that. With the utility that Satoshi has developed for vechain, that's just really, really it's really special, and it's a value to the meme coin space. Never before have we been able to automatically set limit orders on low cap altcoins, meme coins. Yes, some exchanges try to do this with bigger meme coins once they make it to a certain level, but Satoshi is doing this for every single ERC20 or BEP token that is created. So this is very, very bullish. I can see everyone using this. I can see us competing with something like Uniswap, PooCoin, pancakeswap, things like that. So Satoshi says a Volted day to remember. 1:30 p.m. Eastern time. You won't want to miss this live. So salute. I'm not sure who that is, but shout out to everybody. We got Crypto Santa showing love. Insane plus 100% pump over the last week, breaking previous highs during the bear market, y'all. Vechain is performing like this during a bear market, y'all. Y'all got to realize how big that is. Right now, the overall space is crashing. The overall space is pulling back, correcting, it's down, it's low, and vechain is continuing to go higher. That's something that you don't usually see, but you can't expect that from something as strong as vechain. This is the real deal here, y'all. I had somebody inside of my community, kind of, not feeling the Vote vibes, I guess. I'll just say that to say the least. And You know, he said over like 90% of investors that invested in Vote was down. But that's why y'all seen when I dropped my last two videos, the video before the last one, I asked how many of the people from my community were up on Vote. Every single person that commented said they were in the green on Vote. So I don't see where that 90% is coming from. You know, some people are going to have things to say, but, you know, they'll be upset that they missed out on this run that they could have been in, that we were talking about for, you know, months. So salute to everybody that's really rocking with me, though, the real ones. Crypto Sensei says, found out about Volt from a friend and was impressed. Listed on 60 plus central exchanges, just revealed their upcoming decks and partnered with several firms and athletes. Vote also has a $1 million buyback and burn coming. Sounds promising. That's one thing y'all got to remember as well. We have, look at what's going on, right? Let's take a look at the chart again. Vote has done $1.2 million in volume in the last 24 hours. Look what that has been doing for us. Look how we've been moving. Now imagine with us doing that again in one day, but this time it being a burn. This is just 24 hours of $1 million in volume and, you know, buying and selling. The next time when we hit that all-time high and we get that $1 million burn, it won't be buying and selling taking place. That will be a buy and burn. So that's going to be absolutely bullish to remove $1 million worth of Vote tokens out of circulation. Sheesh. Absolutely bullish. Just wanted to keep y'all updated on that. You know, keep an eye on the channel so that way you don't miss this run that's going on. I'll keep y'all updated when Vote change drops. Looks like the price is rebounding here. If it breaks above outside of this resistance level here, we can expect it to continue to move. So we're looking for the candles to start to basically, you know, they might jump around a little bit. They might come test a little lower here, and then eventually start to break out of this range and continue to move back up. And once we can break above this area here, we're back gone. So hopefully y'all can see this. So we might dance around in this area a little bit. We might dance in here, then slowly start to break out. And once we get above this point, gone. So salute to everybody for rocking with me. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are